Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Matt Hougan, Chief Investment Officer and Global Head of Research at Bitwise Asset Management, to discuss the launch of BITQ, a fund that focuses on the crypto economy. Matt, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me, Jill. I'm delighted to be here.
And Matt, what does the fund aim to do, and what kind of companies are included in the portfolio?
Great question. This is the first pure play crypto equity ETF in the US, ticker BITQ. So it holds 30 companies that are focused on providing the picks and shovels, the infrastructure that makes the crypto economy hum. These are companies like crypto mining companies, crypto mining equipment manufacturers, companies like Coinbase, which is the leading crypto brokerage and custody platform. So these are the picks and shovels of the crypto industry, all packaged together in one single ETF.
What are some of the risks associated with BITQ?
A great question again. Crypto obviously is a very volatile market. It's a volatile asset. The underlying assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, go up and down a lot every day. So this is a risky strategy in the short term. Over the long term trajectory of crypto, Bitcoin, and blockchain has been very strong, and I'm optimistic it will be strong in the future. But you should expect this to be a volatile investment.
Do you think a Bitcoin or Ethereum ETF will get passed this year in the US? Purpose Investments in Canada just launched those types of ETFs over the past couple of months.
We're getting a lot closer to a Bitcoin ETF in the US than we have been. I don't know if it will happen this year. I'm confident it will happen in the next 1 or 2 years. I think the number of questions regulators have been asking about this space has narrowed, but there's still some ways to go. So will it be this year or next year? I'm not sure. Will it be eventually? I think the answer to that is yes.
And then Matt, when we look at general outlook, there has been a lot that we're talking about with this regulation, taxes. Of course, Elon Musk has so much of an impact on crypto as well.
Yes, absolutely. This is a disruptive, early stage, innovative economy that's emerging. And like any disruptive area of the market, you expect there to be volatility, you expect there to be big questions. But the underlying premise, the idea that crypto-enabled blockchains are building a faster, more efficient, more inclusive financial future, I think it's hard to dispute that. So will there be challenges? Will there be hiccups? Absolutely. But is the progress we're seeing in the industry significant? Absolutely as well. And when you look specifically at BITQ, at the companies that this ETF holds, the interesting thing about those companies, Jill, is that they're showing high growth associated with the growth of this industry. They're also showing significant profits, which is unusual for high growth technology names. To combine high profitability and high growth at the same time is unique. Will there be volatility? Of course that will be, but the long-term trajectory I think is very strong.
All right, Matt, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.